Ever wondered how bloggers like Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income or Michelle Schroeder-Gardner from Making Sense of Sense earn six-figure incomes while sharing their passions? Platforms like WordPress.org, Medium, and Substack have made this possible for countless creators. WordPress.org supports everything from affiliate marketing to e-commerce. Medium rewards engagement through its partner program, and Substack allows bloggers to monetize newsletters with paid subscriptions. Blogging isn't just a hobby anymore, it's a pathway to financial freedom. This video will be broken up into two parts. First, we will talk about how to start your blog, and after there, we'll be discussing how to monetize it. Let's get started. Part 1. Starting your blog. Choose your niche. Example. Start by picking a topic you're genuinely curious about. It doesn't have to be a deep passion, but it should be interesting enough to keep you motivated. For instance, Pat Flynn began blogging about online business tools, and today, he's a millionaire entrepreneur. Tip: avoid broad topics like travel or cooking. Instead, niche down. For example, budget travel for students or quick vegan recipes for busy professionals. This makes it easier to stand out and attract a dedicated audience. Select the right platform. Platforms like WordPress.org offer full customization and scalability. If you're looking for a simpler start, platforms like Wix or Squarespace might work for you. Remember, a clean, easy-to-navigate design is key. Create a content plan. Think of your content like a menu at a party. It has to appeal to your audience and keep them coming back. Tools like Canva can help you design visually stunning posts, and Pinterest is a great resource for creative inspiration. Write your first post. Start with answering why this topic matters to you and why others should care. High-quality writing is your ticket to building trust with your readers. Remember, people follow blogs for the value you provide, so keep your content informative and engaging. Part 2. Monetizing your blog. Freelancing. Offer services like writing, editing, or consulting in your niche. For example, Michelle Schroeder-Gardner monetized her blog by offering financial planning advice before diving into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Promote products relevant to your audience and earn a commission. Brands like Amazon or Udemy have affiliate programs you can join even with a small following. Just make sure your promotions align with your niche. Authenticity is key. Sponsored content. Once you've built an audience, brands may pay you to feature their products. The key is to integrate these naturally into your content. Bloggers like Alex Nerney and Lauren McManus of Create and Go excel at this. Online courses. If you have specialized knowledge, package it into an online course. People are willing to pay for actionable advice and strategies that save them time. Business partnerships. Your blog can open doors to collaborations and partnerships you didn't expect, like co-authoring books, starting podcasts, or even launching a new business. And that's your roadmap to starting and monetizing your blog. Whether you're aiming for a side hustle or full-time career, blogging can open doors you never imagined. Start today, stay consistent, and who knows, you might just be the next big success story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your digital empire. See you in the next one.